Get Upside Down Pilates uninterrupted with no commercials or ads. You can watch all the full 1-hour episodes of Upside Down Pilates on all your devices. Visit www.upsidedownpilates.com to sign up now. All right, let's flip around and do a little bit more with our arms. So you're going to bring your feet out in front about hips distance apart. Now you can have your hands turned out or back like this, or you can even go down onto your elbows if your wrists are getting really tired. But I will go like this with my palms, my fingertips facing out. Roll the shoulders open, inhale, and now as you exhale, lift the hips up about as high as your knees or a little lower, and then lower down. We'll go for 10. Exhale, lift the hips up 2, and lower down. 3, inhale, lower. Exhale, 4, inhale, lower. 5, nice big stretch in the fronts of the shoulders as you lift. 6, inhale. 7, inhale. 8, 2 more please. 9, and let's stay up here. Bend your elbows down, and a 1, and little bit, 2, just little elbow bends. 3, inhale, exhale. 4, inhale, exhale. 5, try keep your hips high. Down, and a 6, down, and a 7, inhale, exhale. 8, 2 more. Very good, and lower down. And it's time for swimming. All right, here we go. Flip down onto your belly. We're gonna shift onto our mat. Reach your arms out and your legs turned out and wide. Lift everything up out and away. Lower one arm and the opposite leg. And then we're gonna change, and we're gonna change, and we're gonna change. And here we go. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, last set. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, we made it. Reach everything out and lower down. Shift back into a little child's pose. And it's time for swan. All right, here we go. Shift back out. Hands are going to be about as wide as your shoulders. Legs are apart and lifted. Reach the head out and away. Come up into a nice full extension. And bend the elbows and come back down. And again, reach the head out and away. And go back down. Roll the shoulders back. Keep the legs lifted. Arch through the spine. And go back down. Just 2 more like this. Out and away and up. And come back down. 1 more. Out and away and up. And let's do just a little rock and catch for fun. Come on up into extension. And here we go. Shoot your arms out. And catch. Shoot your arms out. And catch. This is 3. Shoot. And catch. And 4. Inhale last time. 5. And catch. Woohoo! And we've made it. All right, let's come up and do a little stretch time. We'll start with some straddle. Separate those legs wide. And you can go as wide as you want, or as gentle as you want, however you're feeling today. Point those toes, reach one arm up, and you're just going to slide down side. Get a nice big stretch. Good work. Reach that arm up and around. You're going to slide it behind your waist a little bit, and then you can twist and look up to the sky. reach that arm back out and around. And now you can turn down towards your foot and towards your knee. And then walk yourself to the center. And go ahead and flex your feet while you're here. And reach your tail out and see if you can get a nice flat back. And come on up. And here we go. Other side. Lift the arm, point the toes, stretch side. Reach that arm up and around. Let it slide behind your waist and twist your chest open to the sky. Reach that arm up and around side, and now keep going. Twist down to the knee. Good. You're going to go ahead, walk center, flex the feet, and see if you can bring your pelvis into a nice neutral extension. Good. All right, come on up. We're going to do a little more stretching. We're going to take your legs out in front of you, and then you're going to turn out and take one leg all the way across, and you're going to reach the opposite hand to the opposite foot, and then reach the opposite arm around to the back and twist open to the sky a little bit. Good. And then you're going to come back down and round forward to your legs. Just gentle stretch. And walk your hands up. Good. And change. Bring this left one down. Bring the other arm across. You're going to take the hand to the opposite foot and reach the arm around and back. And stretch. Open your chest to the sky again. Good. And come back down. And walk your hands down to the legs. Good. And come back up. We're going to come to the front and bring your feet, the soles of your feet together. And then you can reach your knees down to the ground as you sit tall. And try and do flat back forward. Take a big inhale. And come back. Reach your hands back and open your chest. Do one more round. We're going to go down onto our belly and stretch our quads a little bit. Lie down onto your belly. Grab onto one foot. Press the hips down. Squeeze the glutes. And bring your heel towards your seat. And breathe. And then press the foot back and come back into a little bit of an arch with that one leg, and then opening that shoulder. And let's change legs. Go ahead and grab onto the opposite foot. Abs are in. Squeeze the glutes and bring the heel towards the seat. And press the foot back into the hand and come open into a little arch. Very good. Rest out of it and shift back into child's pose. And we've made it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Again, my name's Lisa Oreg. For more information about me and Upside Down Pilates, join us online at www.upsidedownpilates.com. Join us on Facebook at facebook.com/upsidedown-dance-and-pilates. And you can join us on Instagram at Instagram/upsidedownpilates. Or you can email us at info@upsidedownpilates.com. As well as always on YouTube, youtube.com/upsidedownpilates. Have a fabulous rest of your day. Aloha. Upside Down Pilates Unlimited. Get Upside Down Pilates uninterrupted with no commercials or ads. For a limited time, we are offering a special early bird discount at less than 17 cents a day. And you can lock in your rate forever. We'll keep adding new lessons. At Upside Down Pilates Unlimited, you can watch all the full 1-hour episodes of Upside Down Pilates on all your devices. Roku, Apple TV, Android, select smart TVs, iOS, Amazon Fire Stick, the web, and more. Anywhere the Vimeo app is supported. The next best thing to taking lessons with me. Plus, this is a great way to help support the channel and help keep us making great content. Upside Down Pilates Unlimited, everywhere, anytime, commercial-free, affordable. Visit www.upsidedownpilates.com to sign up now.